First Alert Storm Team forecast. Lots to talk about as we kick off the work week, Summer.
Absolutely. It's a busy day in the weather department, but things are quiet to start. Here's a live look at our Grand Forks Home of Economy sky cam, where the sun is now up to start our Monday. We do have some activity, though, elsewhere on satellite and radar. A few passing showers still up towards Roseau and Baudette. They have been lingering for the last few hours. And some non-severe thunderstorms stretching from Mobridge down to just south of Ellendale, headed towards the Sisseton area, with lots of thunder and lightning, along with some potentially heavier rainfall. Temperatures to start your morning are in the 50s across the north, 55 in Bemidji and Hallock, 59 in Langdon, 66 in Devil's Lake, 62 in Grand Forks, 68 in Fargo, and in Oaks, 70 in Aberdeen, South Dakota. Our humidity values continue to increase. We're between 75 and 100% where we're seeing some of those rain showers. That indicates it's a hot and sticky day, and we could see storms, severe storms firing later. So we have that first alert weather day for your Monday. Many of us seeing heat exceeding 90 degrees, especially when you factor in the humidity and your heat index, or your feels like temperature. And later today, this afternoon into tonight, a few severe storms are in the forecast. Crank that air conditioner up to high for today, because here's a snapshot of temperatures expected by the 5 o'clock hour. 95 in Jamestown, 96 Grand Forks, 93 in Fargo, some 80s for our Minnesota counties, but it's going to feel hotter with that humidity. A look at your heat index planner for Fargo shows between 4 and 6 p.m. You can see those heat index values near 100 degrees. So be prepared to beat the heat for your Monday, and tomorrow is looking even hotter. But let's talk about the storm potential. A slight risk, or a level 2 out of 5 risk of severe from the Storm Prediction Center in the areas shaded in yellow, includes Bemidji through Park Rapids and Wadena. The tornado threat is going to be on the low end, but it's not zero. We will be keeping a very close eye on that for you throughout the afternoon. Large hail up to 2 inches in diameter can't be ruled out. Hopefully that hail on the smaller end, especially for any area crops, and wind gusts between 70 and 75 miles per hour within some of those storms as well. Timing things out, again, those morning storms down across our southernmost counties. Those will continue throughout the morning, not expected to become severe, although bringing some thunder and lightning and some heavy rain. But through the mid to late afternoon, right around 3 to 5 o'clock, seeing those initial storms develop. Here we are now by 6:30, seeing those storms from Bemidji back stretching through the southern half of the Red River Valley. It's the first initial storms that we have the best potential for the largest hail and that isolated tornado threat. So the first developing storms, but many of those are exiting by 9, 10, 11 o'clock for tonight, making for a quieter night. Out the door today, temperatures are going to be soaring quickly, many of us into those 90s, but your 7-day forecast does call for a cool down. First, hotter for our Tuesday, but then we have some 80s back in the forecast, but it does come with some more wildfire smoke as well.
Okay, lots to talk about, lots to track and be aware of all
Yes,
through the week. Thank you, Summer.